Hey guys, James in Vegas here. I've been asked by a couple of viewers to take a look at the downtown area, but more importantly, like the neighborhood of where I live, since I do live downtown. And I'm going to go ahead and post a video. I'm going to walk around the area. It's Saturday night. It's about 7:30, almost 8 o'clock. I want to walk around the block, kind of show a couple of things. So hope you follow along. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Hit that bell icon to be notified of when I do upload new videos, and like this video. Be greatly appreciated. So come with me, let's get going. Alright, so here's the lobby, and I'm about to walk outside. Apologize in advance for the shaky camera, but you know, I'm doing this handheld without a stabilizer or anything like that. So the first thing you notice is coming out across the street there, that's a dirt parking lot where you can actually pay to park. All these angle parking spaces here, they're 2 hours except for on Sundays and holidays. Over in the corner here is another paved parking lot that you can pay for. Right up there you got the Cortez. So let's head over toward Stewart Avenue. This direction toward Stewart Avenue is Stewart Avenue is not the best street, actually. I usually don't even go this way, quite honestly. Over to the left up the street there is the parking garage for the Cortez, and then there's like a 7-Eleven, and I think if we keep going a little further it's Gold Spike and things like that. Not a whole lot of excitement. I prefer to go the other direction, which is toward Ogden, and that'll take you all the way to Fremont Street. So Stewart Avenue is pretty busy. It's where like the emergency vehicles zoom down late at night and that sort of thing. And you can hear some now. So over here is Stewart Avenue heading away from the strip, or I'm sorry, heading away from Fremont area, the Experience. And then over here, up that way, you'll see is toward all the casinos and things and the parking garages. So we're going to continue walking to the right. I don't know what direction it is. I guess maybe east on Stewart. And this is the buildings here, or the building here. And we have people walking now, so let me go and turn that away. How you doing? Good. So down this dark alleyway is actually the gated parking area for the apartments here. Also on the outside of the gated area there's alley parking as well. I'll probably show you that here in a second as well once I get around the other side. It's kind of sketch back there, but you know, it's not terrible. It's pretty dark though right now. I don't think I've ever really looked back there at night like that. But that leads into the gated parking area that also has like the barbecue and the hot tub and the fire pit and the dog park. That's all gated in, so it's fine. And again, this is Stewart Avenue here. Sorry for my heavy breathing, but you know, like most everybody in this damn world, I'm a little bit out of shape. Okay, a lot of it. So now I'm turning, what am I turning? I guess I'd be south on 9th. Nope. Oh. It's a pretty convenient little corner store up here. gets a lot of attention. But I mean, for a quick drink or quick last minute snack or something you forgot, they have quite a bit of stuff. And again, apologize for the shaking, but still don't have a stabilizer. Up here across the street on the corner to the left, there's a city parking lot where I used to park at. It's like $30 a month over there through the city. It's called the Llama Lot. Here's the corner store. So this is Ogden. Over there is the parking lot on the corner. Right over here is the I believe it's St. Joseph's Catholic Church. They do a soup kitchen every morning, so you'll see people lined up, homeless people lined up all over here, and then they sit down on the sidewalks and eat their food, which is it's fine. It's cool that they're still serving them, and they have been at least since I moved in, since May. So it's good that they're getting food at least. So we're coming back up on 8th. This is the other side of the alley with the parking. I'm going to go ahead and take you down there now. So these are paid parking spots, just like those two lots in the front. So you can pay for parking here on the outside of the gate or on the inside of the gate, and this is the back side of the building. Inside the gate over in that area is where the dog park and the barbecue grill and everything is. I'll show you another video with the amenities and things like that. So let's head back out onto Ogden. So this is just like a walk around the block. Oh, I got some more people. How you doing? So that's the downtowner apartments and motel, Holiday Inn, I don't know, motel. You can see the Cortez up there as well. That's only like block and a half, 2 blocks away. Downtowner's pretty cool little place. I'll sit at the bar once in a while, have a whiskey. So this is 8th Street. This is the other side. Stewart's all the way down the end, and we walked from the middle of this block all the way down to Stewart and around. So right now, let me go ahead and turn around. And heading over toward Fremont Street. Like I said, that's the downtowner, the Cortez, and this is toward Fremont Street and Container Park. So I'll go ahead and walk you up to Container Park and then bring it back just so you can see. This is the parking lot for St. Joseph's Catholic Church. Seems like we're on a flight path for helicopters, because there's I think they're tour helicopters probably, because there's always a line of them. Not ghetto birds usually, but so again, this is the downtowner here. You can see the Cortez up there behind it. Some more apartment buildings here. Their parking lot. So there's Fremont East. Over to the left down Fremont is, what was it, Atomic Liquor? Cool little bar, little restaurant there. Can't quite see it from here, but it's a few blocks down that way on the right hand side, across the street from the Llama Lot actually, because the Llama Lot goes all the way from Ogden over to Fremont here. So this is Fremont East and 8th Street. And again, like I said, it's Saturday night, 8 o'clock right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and cross this way. Oh, there's Container Park. Again, remember I'm hand carrying it, so sorry for the bounce. And I'm not walking very slow. I'm just trying to, get this video done and head back because I got to eat some dinner. So over here on the left is Container Park. Big old flamingo. There's the Cortez. Wow, it smells really good here. I think there's a taco truck or something up there. Damn. I don't remember smelling this good. I'm gonna have to try that one out. I think it's in the corner there across from Container Park. So here's Container Park, and there's the dome that's not being used right now. And then we got the praying mantis that used to shoot fire until COVID. So these are all shipping containers with shops and stuff and restaurants. And straight up ahead, a couple blocks, is the Experience. Not going that far tonight. So I'm just going to cross here, back over on Fremont, head back. A couple of good Thai food places up there. Well, Le Thai is my favorite one, which is past this one here. Sorry, bro, I don't have any money on me. And as you can see, even with videotaping, they don't care, so. But that's pretty much everywhere. I'm gonna try this Indian place out someday. So right now I'm heading down Fremont Street away from the Experience and back toward 8th Street. People watching is amazing here. I mean, it really is. There's all kinds of people here. Alright, so I'm turning on 8th, heading back to the apartments. It's a pretty mild evening. I'm not sure how hot it is, but I mean, at the pace that I'm walking, I'm worked up a little bit of a sweat, but it's actually not that hot. So we're coming up on the downtowner here, right here on the sidewalk on the left. I mean, you might see a few extra people here and there throughout the evening, but for the most part, this is what you get. Downtowner does get a little busy sometimes. And you might have, you know, a couple of people standing outside, maybe waiting for a ride or whatever. So here's the, on the corner here's the bar area. It's a nice little chill spot. Nothing too crazy. It's also early. So this way is the Cortez. This way is the llama lot and the little corner store that I showed you. That's my building there. On the corner here is the paved parking that you could pay for the apartments. And now we're just heading halfway down the block here on 8th to the lobby. So I hope you enjoyed this quick little tour in the evening on a Saturday night. Those of you that asked for it, make sure you like and subscribe and click the bell notification button. And if you have any questions, go ahead and shoot a comment. And yeah, shoot a comment down below. And if you have any other special requests on videos, just let me know. So I can pop it open for you. This is a gated community here, so gated door. You're welcome. So a little seating area. It's an office, a leasing office. And mail room, of course. Vending machine there. And another vending machine there. And back to the elevators. Thanks again for watching, guys.